Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sound card for live streaming. A dedicated sound card is a game changer for your live broadcasts, offering a substantial upgrade from your computer's built-in audio. It provides specialized hardware for processing sound, which means less delay and a much cleaner signal. You can connect several microphones or instruments, giving you incredible flexibility. Ultimately, it helps deliver a high-quality, professional sound that keeps your viewers engaged and coming back for more. When selecting a sound card, prioritize models with at least 2 excellent microphone preamps to handle multiple audio sources. A sample rate of 96 kHz or even 192 kHz ensures superior audio fidelity. Make sure it includes both XLR and quarter-inch inputs to accommodate various gear. Direct monitoring is essential, allowing you to hear your audio in real time without any distracting latency. Finally, a USB 2.0 or 3.0 connection provides stable and fast data transfer. First, connect your sound card to your computer using a reliable USB cable. Then, plug your primary microphone into an XLR input and any other audio sources, like instruments, into the quarter-inch jacks. Next, install the specific drivers and control software provided by the manufacturer. This is vital for optimal performance. Once installed, set your new sound card as the default input and output device in your operating system's sound settings. Finally, carefully adjust the input gain for each source to achieve a robust signal without any distortion. To truly optimize your live stream audio, always use a pop filter on your microphone. It dramatically reduces harsh P and B sounds. Wear good quality headphones to monitor your sound in real time, allowing you to quickly identify and fix any problems. Consider adding a noise gate or compressor within your streaming software to clean up your audio and maintain consistent volume. Keep a steady distance from your microphone, typically about 6 inches, for stable levels. Always conduct a thorough sound check before going live to guarantee a flawless broadcast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.